Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 5th, 2024. I'm down towards the new property here, and one of the things I'm going to do today, it's a rainy day, really overcast. We're going to get showers throughout the whole day and this evening. It's raining right now. But I think what I'll do is I brought Elon over here. Got Elon here. I brought him over here last night. And I'm going to go get the Hulk, and the goal to try and get some of these done today is we have these burr reed plants all along in here, and they're just absolutely fantastic. One of the marginal plants for in the pond that we just finished excavating. So I'm going to come over with Elon, grab some from in here, and see if I can deposit them. I'll probably put the Hulk up over here. I'll be going back and forth, put them in the Hulk, and then transplant them with the Hulk over to the new site. So just something to keep me busy on a rainy day. I need more things to do. Okay, time to get started.
In the stillness of the morning light, we gather by the water's edge with an excavator ready for the fight, to move the life that nature's pledged. Scooping earth with gentle care, a community of life we'll share. From pond to pond, a journey starts, transplanting dreams, connecting hearts. We're transplanting arts. We're transplanting life from shore to shore, building ecosystems, opening doors. With roots intact, we bring the green, creating habitats, nature's serene. In the soil, a world unseen, microbes dance and insects teem. Plants rise tall, a living screen. In this balance, the waters gleam. Marginal zones are rich and wide, a tapestry of life inside. From cattails tall to duckweeds small, we bring them to the new pond's call. We're transplanting life from shore to shore, building ecosystems, opening doors. With roots intact, we bring the green, creating habitats, nature serene. In every scoop, a promise made, to restore and thrive, a bond we've laid. From the margins where the wild things roam, to a new place they'll call their home. The excavator's gentle hand places life upon the land, a transformation wild and grand as nature takes its rightful stand. Though time will pass, the work will show as ecosystems rise and grow. A thriving world where life will flow, in ponds that sparkle, hearts will glow. We're transplanting life from shore to shore, building ecosystems, opening doors. With roots intact, we bring the green, creating habitats, nature serene. So let the waters sing their song in new beginnings where life belongs. With patience and a gentle hand, we shape the earth, we heal the land.
Well, I just finished doing the transplanting that I wanted to get accomplished today. So yesterday I did a lot of the cattails, the rushes, reeds, duckweed, what else? I'm forgetting something. And today I decided to come down and get some of the burr reeds and milfoil. So those are the ones that are suspended in the water. The milfoil and the other aerators, I can't think of their names right now. So they've been transplanted, and some of the floating plants as well. So all of these, they're in big clusters right now. They're going to go ahead and get their roots straightened out over the next couple of days. And then as the weather changes and as the beavers come through, these will all get broken up and get distributed. So there's more of the I'm going to call it inoculums. So when I'm talking about transplanting, and I'll have an article on our website at mindfullivingsanctuary.com, I'll have an article describing what I mean by doing the transplanting with an excavator. So we've got a 36-inch excavation bucket, which allows me to not just get individual plants or groups of plants, we're getting a whole diverse ecosystem from all of the soil that the plants are rooted in, the microorganisms, the invertebrates, some of the amphibians as well, and a diversity of different species of plants. So we have trillions of organisms in each scoop that we're bringing over here, and in a sense we're inoculating. We're bringing over entire ecosystems from a similar ecosystem, from a known ecosystem that we want to inoculate into a similar substrate, similar environment, similar climate, and all just freshly excavated were inoculated into this section. So it's more than just transplanting plants, because we'd be very careful with individual plants, like when we do our transplant with our garden plants or our fruit trees and berry bushes, all of those. We're doing that as individual plants and trying to maybe introduce mycorrhizal fungi to the root systems, adding some leaf mold or compost, amending the soil as well, so that we can establish a supportive soil structure that will support those plants. Whereas in this situation, having the benefit of using the excavator, I can actually transfer entire sections of an ecosystem with a whole balanced structure of everything from the microorganisms to the prebiotics that are in the soil, all of the substrates that are being broken down, as well as a diversity of plant species and a diversity of the microorganisms, and hitchhikers along the way that come with some amphibians, some invertebrates as well. So it's like transposing one desirable ecosystem into a newly designed and created system. I hope that all makes sense. So anyways, pretty happy with this. It won't be until next year that we really see how well this system worked. If I do see that things aren't working that well, I'll repeat the system and as well. Probably next year I'll do similar. I need to wait for the soil to firm up some so I can get on that, and then we'll start working with the soil and transplanting some of the plants that we want to have, the various trees and bushes as well. When we're transplanting trees and bushes, we really want to wait until those are in a dormant phase. Now I did transplant some of the trees over here along the widened roadway that I did recently over here. And those trees, ash trees and willows, I think those were and a couple alders, they were in the sediment collecting canal system that we have. So when I was harvesting these materials over here for this pond, I disrupted and pulled out some of the trees, which I don't want the trees in the sediment collecting canal system. And since they had good root balls with lots of good soil with them, I brought them over there, put them down low where the nice moist soil is, and took some of the soil and backed it right up to them. So we'll give them a year to get established as well. So I think that's about it, all I wanted to cover today. I hope you folks enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and enjoy your days. Bye-bye now.